Here we are. We made it to Tanzania.
Kilimanjaro Airport.
I want to see the sign. And your smiling face.
I like the giraffes and the elephants the best. So we have giraffes.
Former days, all this area you see, you get wildlife and you get lions and other stuff. But as people spread out and animals retreating back to the parks and to the national parks. Yeah. As you say, at the end of the tour.
Oh, that's for you.
Yeah.
What do I say?
Good.
So they do make a fraction. They collect the ash, and then you can see the fire. Yeah. And no matches. They have a special wood to make a fire.
Okay, let's go inside the house. So welcome. So this is a Masai house. And this house a long time the women to build the house.
We're in the Maasai village house.
Yeah.
The camera. Okay.
David graduated, but we're going back to school.
They're all like the same age too.
I know, seriously. Okay, so I like these coasters. They're the big 5 animals, but maybe I like these colors better.
There's a baboon.
We have Great Rift Valley escarpment.
Not
The
so
red bird. At the end of the field, there's a red bird right there. feel like my boat legs are coming in
African
handy.
sausage tree. Monkeys. Who else eats them? Monkeys, giraffes,
Elephants.
elephants.
Five uglies are hyena, wildebeest, warthog, marabou stork, and the biggest vulture in Africa. That is a lappet face vulture.
Oh yeah, I thought I had some on your face, but it's just the vertical there.
Gotcha.
Another vehicle saw a lion in a tree, or jumped down from a tree, but we haven't seen it yet.
Good one, John.
See the USA in your Chevrolet. You didn't ask how much we were.
Too much rain.
Yep.
That's not the real name.
Probably like sun over there.
We've already asked that question.
That's what we're wondering. It's better when they're separated. We race back to see the lion.
Is there something?
You can hear it.
And Simba.
Simba. Joey.
Yeah. And I hear.
Waiting for the stars to come. I can see 3/4 there. Tomorrow at around 6:35.
What are you drinking, dear?
Dragon fruit juice.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Passion fruit juice.
What are you drinking, dear?
Passion fruit juice.
Got it. First try.
Baboon, blue monkey, bushbuck, hornbills, velvet or black-faced monkey, impala, lions, dik-dik, zebra, warthogs, crown crane, hyrax.
That's good enough. You go through.
You go first. You go
Okay. Very good. Man. Oh, we should have a desk.
First thing, driving out of camp, we have a flat tire.
A giraffe. You spotted it, husband.
That was all me.
Yay!
You got the best spot for this.
Yeah. Wow, that's beautiful.
Hakuna Matata.
Cent a piece.
America.
America. Elephant, lion, zebra, giraffe, elephant, cockroach. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, fine.
Got this at a gas
Sometimes we give
station.
them grains. We give them grains.
Oh, yeah.
We give them some supplements so they can eat.
Till the day.
Till today, it wakes up. No, it's dead.
We saw buffalo.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, he's still taking.
Are you resting your head in that tree?
First fossil records of humans. Pretty cool. 1.8 million years ago.
Here we are,
Serengeti.
Serengeti National Park.
Yeah.
Come here, come here, come here.
So we've just left this Ngorongoro conservation area and are officially crossing the border into the Serengeti.
Group photo. Oh, we saw another one that said.
They're so pretty.
Doing my push-ups for the day. Doing 125 for 1,000.
He said stand on his back.
That's 100 for today.
Lots of giraffes, lots of elephants, crocodile, hippos, buffaloes, canoes. So, wow. We are in the land of the Lion King.
So remind me what Serengeti means in Masai.
Endless plain,
Endless plain.
never ending plain.
A never-ending plain. Here we are in the Serengeti.
I want to get one up close. That's it? Oh man.
Yeah, that's it. It's real close.
Right there. Looks like it's trying to
No, he's probably dead. He looks hurt. Let's go out and see if he's okay.
I'll puff at her.
Here we are in Serengeti. We're approaching Pride Rock.
Oh,
he
dropped it.
it.
He's gonna get some more. That means he's gonna go down and get. Look at that tongue. Watch him go get some more.
We heard there's a leopard. We're leaving the lions and the hippos.
Go get him.
A baby leopard in a tree sure attracts attention.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
I got a shot.
Whoa. Hang on.
Oh, that's good. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Stop right here. That's good. Oh wow, good shots. Oh.
Oh, what's wrong? I got that. Look at it.
Good job.
I see this carcass over there.
Yeah.
It's like dragged up into the tree and ate.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What do we think it's a
Hey, he's
carcass
coming
of,
down.
Amelia?
Wildebeest.
Oh yeah, the tail looks like that.
It's a wildebeest carcass. Wildebeest.
Oh, he's so good.
Not that big.
He's doing though.
How's this baby?
Oh, look at that baby. That baby is full of energy.
That
Yeah.
baby wants to play.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
What, did he jump from branch to branch?
Yeah, from that farther back branch.
The dark patch to the right up here is a dead wildebeest that the leopards brought up into the tree.
Doesn't stay on for long.
Really? Looks at all those.
You need someone to play with. Yo, what's up, bud? Looks like an old guy.
He doesn't have to pee anymore.
Whoa, look at that view. Okay, get
Oh
him,
my
John. Get him.
goodness, yeah. Oh, he's running. He's moving. Got places to be.
After we left the leopard in the tree and the baby leopard, we heard there's a black rhino. And so we raced that way. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. That's so cool.
So describe what we see in the tree.
Okay, so on the left, right above one above the other are two baboons, and then on the right, horizontally next to each other, there's two marabou storks.
At the
One
bottom
of the big
tree,
five,
too.
ugly. Oh, there's a baboon at the bottom.
Little
Okay.
one.
So these marabou storks have like this big ugly pouch hanging down from their beak.
Pretty halfway down.
It's so hard to open this thing.
Man, it's just going down. It's probably already underneath.
That's amazing. Okay.
Ask that question. It's like when the kids steal the cookies and they say, you say, did you steal the cookies? No. You say, were they good? They say, yeah.
We're having a wonderful dinner here in Serengeti Tortillas Camp. After seeing the big five in 1/2 a day of safari driving.
Amazing.
Amazing.